Sitting here at Panevino, this has been here before the Gaslamp was the Gaslamp. The most amazing restaurant, and the beautiful, the talented Annalisa is here. What is this?
This is the Ossobuco Milanese, Mark. It's a veal
I love
shank.
it when she says that. Say it again.
Ossobuco Milanese.
Tell me again what it is.
It's a veal shank.
It looks like it literally falls off the bone.
It does. We braise it for hours in a Barolo wine sauce with diced vegetables, and it's served over a bed of saffron risotto.
Do you have to be Italian to work here? No, but it helps.
No, it helps, yes.
I love the accent. I like the food better. It was made over in Italy. It was perfected here.
Yes, I agree. You should have a bite.
I will. Now we're going to try it.
What do you think?
I need a cigarette.
Perfection.
Panevino, created in Italy, perfected here.